our containers for our Cantonese steam warmers for dumplings, bao, and other delicacies. First off, the overall dimensions. Included will be 10 containers, with each one measuring 2 3/4 inches in height on the outside. And for the inner dimension, we have at least 1.5 inches. The diameter, we're looking at least 4.5 inches in radius. And with the container lid, we have a total height of at least 4 inches. On the bottom of each container, we'll have slots and opening that will keep your food warm. For example, when you use this along with our Cantonese steamer, these can be stacked on the heat that warmer. And on the bottom, it will generate heat that will keep not only the food on the first container warm, but the other food containers all the way towards the top as well too. So again, each opening and each slot will keep the food that you're storing warm. So when you are using this with our steamer that we sell, you'll keep the products flowing all the way to the top warm. When stacked on one single level, the entire height, we have at least 25 inches tall. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.